Mabuhay! Tuloy po kayo dito sa AITV 16. Ito po sa Yek Alegre, ang inyong katama at katipon. Andito po ako ngayon sa may Intramuros, malapit po sa ating kilalang simbahan. Pero bago po yan, inianyayahan ko po kayong lahat na dumalaw po dito at maging sentro talaga ng turismo ng Metro Manila ang lugar na ito. Maging sentro ng kultura, lalo na po sa mga kalapit po nating bayan, sa bayan dyan ng Bulacan, sa bayan ng Quezon, ng Rizal, ng Laguna, sa Cavite. Dumalaw po kayo upang makita nyo po ang kagandahan po dito ng mga lumang istruktura dito sa may Manila area. So ipapasyal ko po kayo pansamantala, saglit lang po. Ang nakikita nyo po sa inyong harapan ay ang Palacio del Gobernador. Okay? Palacio del Gobernador. So, ang ganda-ganda, di ba po? Yan. At sa akin naman pong likuran, makikita po ninyo ang statwa ni Carlos IV. Ayan o. So, nakalagay po doon ni Haring Carlos, al Rey de Carlos IV en gratitud al Don Beneficio de la Vacuna los habitantes de Filipinas. So, siya po. Yan. Oh. Ganda-ganda. Yan. So, basahin po natin yung nakalagay po dito. Charles IV, King of Spain. Monument in honor of Charles IV, King of Spain, 1788 to 1808, erected in gratitude for decreeing the introduction of vaccine for smallpox in the Philippines. Cast in bronze under Gobernador General Rafael Maria Aguilar and directed by Ambrosio Casas, 1805 to 1808, unveiled 1824. Replaced by a monument to Ahiro Motes Gomez Burgos and Zamora or Corbursa, 1961. Reinstated under the Intramuros administration, 1981. Monument declared a National Cultural Treasure 2016. So yan po ang ating noong 2016 daw po dineclare po ang monumento as National Cultural Treasure. Ang ganda po ano. At sa akin naman pong likuran, ang ating pong magandang simbahan. Napakaganda po ng simbahang Katoliko na yan. Oh, di ba? Kapag pinuntahan nyo po ito, para po kayong nasa Europa, dahil sobrang ganda. Papansin nyo po. Yan.
Kasi dati kasi yung system namin.
Nice.
Ganun.
Yeah, po. Look at the structure. So, subukan po natin basahin ang naan dito na nakadikit sa taas. TV Cordituo Immaculato. Hindi ko mabasa masyado. Concredinos Nus Ac Consecramus, something like that. I don't know, kasi Latin siya eh. Kung Spanish pa yan, so medyo maintindihan ko. Pero I think it's Latin, not Spanish. So, nakalagay po dito, Roman Catholic Cathedral of Manila. First cathedral built in 1581, damaged by a typhoon, 1582, and destroyed by fire, 1583. Second cathedral built of stone in 1592 and partially destroyed by earthquake, 1600. Third cathedral built in 1614 and destroyed by the earthquake of 1645. Fourth cathedral magnificently built in 1654 to 1671 by Archbishop Miguel Poblete and destroyed by the earthquake of June 3rd of June 1863. Fifth cathedral built in 1870 to 1879 under architects Luciano Oliver, tapos Vicente Serrano Salaverria and Cuarto Lopez Navarro, and solemnly blessed in December 1879. The center of the cross on the dome is a reference point of astronomical longitudes of the archipelago. Destroyed during the Battle of Manila in 1945, 7 cathedral reconstructed 1954 to 1958 under the direction of Archbishop Rufino J. Santos of Manila, mainly with the support of the people. Fernando Ocampo Architect. Okay. So, ganda-ganda nung ano, nung struktura. Diba? Nandito ako ngayon, makikita mo yung paligid. Ang ganda-ganda nung plaza. Nung plaza. Diba? So, makikita rin po ninyo dito, isa pa, Pope John Paul II in perpetual memory. In the Cathedral Church, the 8th of the Archdiocese of Manila, famous by name of the Immaculate Conception, we ourselves were present during the month of February, walked through and honored with absolutely outstanding rite of beatification of the Martyr Lorenzo Ruiz. We also at the same time, through our voice as if were by an oracle, declared it very worthy indeed to be granted by the honor and new liturgical splendor of Minor Basilica. And as to all requests previously sent according to law, both to the Bishops' Conference of the Philippines and to the Congregation for the Sacraments and Divine Worship, having been in the meantime duly investigated and confirmed, as it behoves already highly pleased by this letter by the plenitude of our apostolic power to approve and pronounce that the earlier mentioned building consecrated to God for the veneration of the Blessed Virgin Mary, invoked under the title of Immaculate Conception, be legitimately elevated to the honor and dignity of Minor Basilica, and henceforth be endowed with all the rights and privileges which befit temples decorated with this title. We order, however, that careful consideration be given to whatever has to be observed according to the decree De Titulo Basilicae Minoris, edited on the 6th of June 1968. Whatsoever contrary what notwithstanding, given in Rome at St. Peter's with seal of the Fisherman's Ring on the 27th day of April year 1981, the third of our pontificate. So, si Augustus Cardel Casaroli from the Public Affairs of Church Office. Wow, nice. So basically, pag tinignan nyo talaga yung ano, ang ganda nung pagkakaukit nung pintuan. I'm wondering kung binubuksan siya. Siguro during ngayon darating na Lenten season, bubuksan siguro siya. I don't know. Pero nice. Look at the sculpture. Yan. Again, papakita ko po sa inyo. Iikot po ulit tayo. Yan. Ang kapaligiran. Dami pong tao. Sana lang po mas maging malinis po atong area na to. Baba lang po tayo sa hagdan. Yan, makikita po natin. Mas maging malinis para at least mas marami po talagang maging ma-attract ng mga tao itong area na to. Tapos sana mas maging siyang pedestrian friendly, walang mga sasakyan, o kaya naman po sana meron talaga yung mga facilities for public use na well maintained. Hindi yung naghahanap pa yung mga tao kung saan sila magsi-CR o kaya mahihirapan pa sila kung saan nila gustong pumunta. Yung for the convenience, hindi yung mga private na talagang yung kung sino lang yung may mga shops, dun ka lang pwede mag-CR. Talagang magagamit talaga ng public kasi nga this is a park, diba? Ang parke supposedly welcoming at saka yung facilities para mas maka-attract ka na mas maraming mga bisita. Kailangan available at accessible at malinis, yun lang. Yun po, bumalik po ulit ako dito sa pinanggalingan ko ng simula. Kaya ipinasyal ko po kayo dito sa katedral natin, sa Manila Cathedral. Kung nagustuhan nyo po itong vlog na to, like, share, comment, subscribe, and click that bell para lagi po kayong updated sa lahat po ng aking mga vlogs. Lahat po kayo, inaanyayahan ko po kayo mamasyal po dito, mga local tourists mula sa mga kataping probinsya, dyan po sa Calabarzon, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, Quezon, even Bulacan, para makita nyo po ang history po ng Pilipinas. Again, si Yek Alegre po ito, nagpapasalamat, signing out. Maraming salamat po.